Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So before going into the review, today's video is gonna be review video. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is gonna be a product review video. So before going into the video, subscribe to my channel and next to it you'll find a bell button. Click it on and also follow me on my other social media networks like Facebook, Instagram, Snapchat. I'll be leaving everything in the description box. So please go check it out. Now let's get into the video. So today we are going to talk about this product from Kama Ayurveda. It is the nourishing and restoring pre-wash hair mask. This is it, guys. So this is the bringagi quiche lip pump. Oh wow, okay. So this is for the nutrient-rich elixir for healthy hair and scalp. It is 80 grams, made in India. This is how the packaging is. The packaging itself is like very luxurious. As you guys know, the Kama Ayurveda is actually a luxurious brand in India, and these retails for rupees 750. It retails for 750 for 80 grams. That's too much, but yeah, once we open it, they have all the ingredients behind, so you can just read it out and check the directions to use. And also they have given the information about it, and this is how the bottle is. It comes in this plastic bottle, and this is how the packaging is. And please don't get confused, this is nothing else. It's just the design of the cap, and yeah, there is nothing. You will think that there is a dropper, but no. And inside you will find the product. I'll put a video of it, like how the product exactly is. It smells definitely like Ayurvedic product, and what you have to do is take a little bit in your palms, rub it onto your scalp for like 2 to 3 minutes and leave it for like 10 to 15 minutes and then wash it off. I also use this Kama Bringagi hair cleanser. These both smell the same, but this is 50 ml bottle for I think it's 415, like 50 ml for 415, and it's also a cleanser. So if you have long hair, you need to use a lot of product. To be honest, it is nice. Like when you use Ayurvedic stuff on your hair tends to become rough and frizzy, but it is okay, manageable, and I did use it. So I don't have anything much to talk about it. It also doesn't give you that greasy feeling once you use this product. It is very nice. It washes it off, like you can easily wash it off, but then you need to use serum and all to manage your hair. I am just showing you the pre-wash, like a post-wash hair. This is how my hair is. Like you can see how my hair is. Usually I have like curly hair, but then it is like this. I generally not a fan. Like I can't say like I'm a fan. I would go back and buy this product, but then yeah, I mean once in a while, yes, but because I need a lot to massage like into your scalp, 80 grams is not enough, and I have to like spend what, 750 for 80 grams, and it is expensive, guys. Like it is really expensive, and it doesn't have this fancy fragrance to it. It's a basic Bringadi fragrance to it. So would I buy this product again? I don't think so. So yeah, leave your comments, like if you guys have used this products. I'm happy to know about it. So hope you guys liked my review. Love you all. Take care. Bye bye. Tata.